Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a text box in Canva. Whether we are creating a poster, a presentation, or a social media design, adding a text box is one of the most important steps in Canva. Now let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, here is our project. To add a text box, all we need to do is click the Text tab on the left side of the dashboard. Once we are there, we just click Add a text box. And as we can see, our text box is now on the canvas. We can click on it and type in whatever text we need. We can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corner to make it bigger or smaller. We can reposition the text box by clicking and dragging it anywhere on the canvas. We can also change the font and the font size, make the text bold, and adjust anything else to match our design. And that is how we add a text box in Canva. Simple and straightforward.